Hey friends! What if your penguin could flip gravity and run upside down? Welcome back to Codex Academy. Today we are building an awesome gravity flip penguin game in Scratch. Flip between the floors and the ceiling. Escape from a hungry wolf. Collect sparkling snowflakes and score as many points as you can. So, are you ready to flip into action? Let's jump into Scratch and start coding!
Let's make the game together. First, delete this cat sprite, upload a backdrop. If you want the same background, you can see in the description there is a link. You can click on it and you will see all the backdrops and sprites. First, delete this plain backdrop, convert to bitmap and then select full. Now go to convert vector, select this and stretch it downwards. So it's not looking good, but when I take the ice layers, it will look good. And we will rename this backdrop to snowfall. So write snowfall and then now let's go to the codes. Now upload sprite, take ice layers and now I'll take change x by 30. Now it's going front door. Oh, over here there is a little gap. Take when flag clicked for the movement we are doing. Motion, go to x 120, y 0 and delete this. Go to control, forever loop, duplicate. Take out this forever loop and now go to motion, take glide 1 second to x minus 120 and y 0. Now see. Oh, looking nice, right? It's moving. And now stop. Ice layers coding is done. Now I'll upload a sprite. I'll take my penguin first. I'll take the first one and I will rename it to penguin. Go to its costume. It has one costume and make sure it is centralized. Now we will upload its costume. Select these three and click on open. Oh, upside down these two are, the last two. And yes, it's too much big. So I'll make it size 70. Okay, this much is great. Now, go to codes and now we will do the penguin's movement. When flag clicked, first we have to make it show, then switch backdrop to snowfall, go to front layer and after this, go to motion and go to x. So the x position should be minus 190 and y minus 107. And after this, point in direction 90. And now, go to control and take repeat until sensing key. Up arrow pressed means repeat this code until the up arrow key is pressed. In this, we will put switch costume to 1 from looks, control, wait, 0.1 second and then duplicate, put it down, switch costume to 2. And now see, it will look like it's moving. It's walking actually. See, it's walking. Walking. Amazing. Now, we will do the flip movement. So for that, we will use the 3 and 4. So it will go over here when we press the up arrow key. And yes, when we click the flag and we click the up arrow key, look, the movement has stopped. Because over here, the meaning is of this code. This code should be repeated until the key up arrow is pressed. Now we will do coding. It will flip. For that we will need the 3 and 4 and it will go above like this. For that, go to control and take a forever loop. If then If then, first I'll take key from sensing, key up arrow pressed. Then it will go to this position. If key up arrow pressed, then motion, go to X minus 190, Y 107. And then control, repeat until sensing, key, down arrow pressed. Then duplicate this part, switch costume to 1, wait 0.1 second 1, and then switch costume to 3 and switch costume to 4, like this. Now duplicate this, put it over here, and key, down arrow pressed, and then repeat until up arrow pressed. 1 and 2 as this one, the same. And of this part, the position will change. Down arrow, not right arrow. Go to X minus 190 and Y minus 107. Now see the effect. It will flip to now. Oh, flipped. Nice. And yes, if yours is not working, check to press the key little harder so that it could give the signal. Oh, down, up, down, up. And yes, the position is perfect and it's moving too. Nice. Now, after this, we will take our next sprite. We will upload 3 sprites, that is the rock, snowflakes, and wolf, like this. Oh, the rock is so big, so I will make its size to 50, and snowflakes to 50. Okay, done. Now I'll do the coding for the rock and wolves. Because the coding is almost same, a little bit changes there. We'll do the movement first. First, we will take the when flag clicked, and yes, we need to put this wolf over here so that we could know the position. And Y will be 107. Oh, it will go up, so minus 107. Okay, and X is 277. So motion, go to X 277 and Y minus 107. And after that, forever loop, duplicate. After go to X 277, Y minus 107, motion, glide 1 second to, I'll put minus 277. Wolf's movement is done. Now I'll put this in the rock. Go to rocks. It's over here. Now we will change its position a little bit. The Y will be 107, like this. And now the X I will choose as 207. Okay. Y I need to change over here to 107. And glide 1 second to Y is going to be 107. And glide 1 second to this position. So minus 277. And yes, we don't want that the wolf and rock will come together. So for that, go to look, scroll down and take hide. And then control, wait 1 second instead of 1 second, wait 2 seconds. And then looks, show. Now see the effect. Oh, they are going faster. So for that, glide 4 seconds. It will take 4 seconds. Now see. Okay. Oh, nice. Now this movement is done. So we will go to the snowflakes. So when flag click, show. And yes, we are doing its movement coding, snowflake. And yes, you can put in the wolf and rock, go to front layer. And of ice layer, you can put, go to back layer. After when flag clicked show, go to control and take wait 1 second. Motion, go to X 250 and Y minus 107. Then forever loop. Motion, change X by minus 5. Means it will go over here to here. And then control. If then operators is lesser than motion, scroll down and X position is written on 1. So take it. X position is lesser than minus 250. Then duplicate this, put it over here and delete this forever one. And now see the effect. Oh, it's coming. And in this also we can put go to front layer. And now we will make a variable. The variable is going to be score. Okay, now we'll make the score show and I will put it over here. After if then, take one more if then sensing, touching, penguin. Then variables, change score by 1. And yes, go to penguin and take one more green flag from events and set score to 0. Now go to snowflakes, change score by 1. I'll take the same, go to X and Y. Go to X 250 and Y minus 107. And now our snowflakes movement is done. You can see it. Oh, my score is 1 because I touched the snowflakes. Now 3. And yes, I touched rock and wolf. And we want game over at that time. For that, go to backdrops, duplicate this, put this over here like shorter. Now convert to bitmap and select this and put it like 4. And this is going to be my game over. Game over. So I'll get this first one, group and copy and paste it. Make it little shorter and I will put it over here. Now wolf, copy, paste. Put it over here. Now the rock. I'll select this, copy, paste it and I will flip it like this. Make it a little shorter and put it over here. And now the last one, snowflakes. Select, copy and paste. And I'll put it over here. I'll write the text. I will take the red color marker and game over. The backdrop is made. Now again I will duplicate it and this will be my you win. You win and 3 exclamation marks like this. Looking nice, right? And now I'll name this you win. Go to codes. Now go to penguins and we will do the coding. When flag clicked, set score to 0. After that, take a forever loop. If then operators or sensing, touching, wolf or touching rock. Then wait 0.5 seconds. Broadcast message, new message, game over, and then looks, hide. And now control stop all and go to backdrops. We'll take when I receive game over. Then looks, switch backdrop to game over and then click on sounds and I'll choose a new sound. I'll take loose. You can see it's little louder, so I'll softer it. Now go to codes and take play sound loose until done. Just go to ice layer. When I receive game over, looks, hide, and put this in wolf, rock, and snowflakes like this. Now see the effect. Okay. Oh, I touched the wolf. That is why it's game over. Now we will do its you win. For that, control and then take if then from control. Operators greater than 9. Variable score. If score is greater than 9, then duplicate this, put it over here, and broadcast message will be different. That will be you win, hide and stop all. And duplicate this, put it over here. When I receive you win, switch backdrop to you win, and I'll choose the sound. That will be win. I'll soft it, play sound win until done, and now go to ice layer, duplicate when I receive game over 1, change it to when I receive you win, and now put it in wolf, rock and snowflakes. In ice layer, we didn't put show in the starting, so put it. And yes, the wolf is not being shown too. Make it show. And go to ice layers and we will put a nice sound. Loops, you can take any of the sound, but I will take dance around. So softer. Okay, now go to codes and take when flag clicked control, wait 1 second, then forever loop, sounds, play sound dance around until done. Now I'll go on big screen and let's start the game in 3, 2, 1 and go. Okay, you need to press harder. Oh no, game over because I touched the wolf's tail. And now see if the rock. Oh, I touched the rock. Game over. Again. This time we need to win. Okay. Score is 0. 1 score. 2. And now 3. Oh, nice. 4. Go, go, go. Yay. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And we win! Yay! And yes, we won because our score is 10. I hope you understand and like this video. If you please like, subscribe, share to your family and friends. And yes, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest update. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.